image. NVIDIA display settings are not available. You are not currently using a display attached to an NVIDIA GPU. This usually means your system isn't currently outputting display through the NVIDIA GPU, which is why the NVIDIA Control Panel can't apply or show settings. How to fix: NVIDIA display settings are not available. Fix 1. Make sure your monitor is connected to the NVIDIA GPU port. If you're on a desktop PC, ensure your monitor is plugged into the NVIDIA GPU graphics card port, not the motherboard port. Look at the back of your PC. Ports higher up equals motherboard, Intel iGPU. Ports lower down equals dedicated NVIDIA GPU. Okay. Shut down your PC, plug the HDMI DP into the GPU port, then restart. Fix 2. Set NVIDIA GPU as default. 1. Right-click on Desktop, NVIDIA Control Panel. 2. Go to Manage 3D Settings. 3. Under Preferred Graphics Processor, set to High Performance NVIDIA Processor. 4. Click Apply and restart the system. If you can't open NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Windows Settings, System, Display, Graphics Settings. Add your apps manually and set them to use NVIDIA GPU. Fix 3. Reinstall NVIDIA drivers. Clean installation. 1. Go to NVIDIA's official site, w.nvidia.com/download/index.s. 2. Download the latest driver for your GPU. During installation, choose Custom Advanced. 4. Check Perform a clean installation. 5. Complete install and restart. Fix 4. Enable NVIDIA GPU in BIOS, Advanced for desktop or dual GPU systems. Restart your PC and enter BIOS, usually by pressing Del F2 or ESC on boot. Look for Primary Display Graphics Adapter setting. Set it to PEG, PCI Express Graphics instead of IGD. Save and exit. Fix 5. Check if GPU is detected. 1. Press WinX Device Manager. 2. Expand Display Adapters. Do you see NVIDIA GPU listed? If not, your GPU might be disabled, disconnected, or has a hardware issue. 3. If it's disabled, right-click Enable Device. Let me know if you're on a laptop or desktop, and I'll tailor the fix more precisely.